Okay, so today we are hiking Tibbet Knob at George Washington National Forest. This is the sister hike to Big Slosh. So Big Slosh is just on the opposite side of the trail. This is about a 3 mile hike, and it's a very short hike, but it's somewhat steep. I'm hiking with Jason and Shelby in front of us, and I actually got stung by a yellow jacket, so I have a little bit of a have an allergic reaction. But so far so good. So let's do the hike. So there is quite a bit of rock scramble around this section. So you have to basically use your hands to get up the rocks, and that's Shelby, and that's the rest of the people in my group. We are at the summit, so you can see the sweeping view of the valley. And the other side is actually a big slosh. This is a very awesome view of George Washington National Forest. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's my group. So until next time, see you guys. Bye.